Yo, what's good with the YouTube, man? It's your boy T Sharp, and today, bro, this is my first video, my first screen recording video, bro. It's, I got the headset on, you feel me? Let me see if the audio is working right now. Bro, my audio working fine, everything is working amazing, bro. I'm not gonna cap to y'all, I just learned how to screen record today, bro, so I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it, bro. It's pretty simple. It's mad simple, bro. But with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into it, right? You ain't booked with T-Sharp Productions, man. What is you doing, folks? So the first thing you need to do, if y'all can see my screen right now, you need to go to this thing called. Actually, I'm gonna make it look better on y'all screen now, bro. We're gonna full screen, not even full screen, but we're gonna make it look pretty big, bro. So y'all can see my whole screen. You want to go to this website, right? OBS Studios, right? You go here. First thing that you want to do, bro, it will depend on whatever you got, bro. You feel me? You can go ahead and download onto your computer or download onto your Mac, bro. Whatever it is that you want to do, bro. Go ahead, download it, man. This website, right? Boom, boom, bada bing, bada bang. Boom. So let's say you go here into this, right? When it goes to sources, I forgot what it looks like when there's nothing there, but you want to click on video capture device, bro. Right? Once you click on the video capture device, this is what it's gonna look like. This is what you look like, right? The video capture device. It's you, my nigga. You feel me? This is what you gonna look like. And what you wanna do here? I'm really, bro. If you got a webcam, you can connect it to your webcam. You know what I'm saying? I think there's like a setting somewhere. But basically, this is what you want your settings to look like, right? If y'all can just look at my screen. Depending if you have a microphone or not, you can change that right here to headset mic, stereo mic, or you can just do your regular webcam mic, whatever it is. It don't really matter, bro. But you can choose one of those real quick, and then I believe that's it. Right, so boom, again, y'all look at all my settings, bro. You copy all my settings here, which really all this stuff might look the same except for the microphone, bro. But anyways, so once you do that, your screen should probably look like this, and this is just a mirror loop, bro. You feel me? It's just looping the whole screen right now. So once you do that, though, you want to click on your audio capture device, bro. Right, once you click on audio capture device, again, go back to your settings, which I think you can just leave that default, bro. That's just again like your microphone and whatnot. But then you want to go to your display capture, which is basically like let's say like the YouTube video you're reacting to, or any video that you want to react to. Click on the display capture, and I think that's about it. Right? Once you click on that, you can just go with the regular default settings. So then your screen should look like this, bro. Make sure you can drag everything organized, everything how it looks, bro. I would just put the audio back up here now. Or not, video capture, put that straight up here. Or not, display capture, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Put the display capture at the very top. And then put your video capture back at the bottom. Right? So this is what your settings should look like. Now you can crop it. Should be able to. Hold on. Oh wait. Control. See, go back to your display capture. Display capture, you can bring it down. So again, so let's say you're reacting to a YouTube video, down below right here. This is your video that you will be watching, right? Your YouTube video, and then the background, the video capture, that's just you. You can vice versa. You can change it, bro. You can have, you small and put your video up top. If you're gonna do that though, just change the order again, like the layout and whatnot. Yes, now my video is down below. My video is right here. And that's really it. So now let's see. Boom. You go here and you go to one of your videos. I'll click on one of my videos, but y'all go check it out, bro. But you seeing all this toxic ass shit. It's funny at the moment. That shit, that shit funny as fuck. But it's like, bro. So boom, right? You do that. Let's say if y'all can still see me, you should be able to still see me, but on my screen, I can't see myself right now. You feel me? Only y'all can see me. Let's say if you're watching, you feel me? So then you should be able to control your audio with this. Again, if you are like in a reaction video and whatnot, and you're controlling the audio, you want to keep the audio low. Or whenever you go to speak, just pause the video. You feel me? Pause the whole entire video, and you can go speak. Right? You know what I'm saying? You can go speak, say what you want, and then you can resume the video when you're not speaking. And that's just so your audio don't really get messed up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's literally the simplest way to screen record on your computer, bro. Once you got all your settings situated, bro, once you got everything situated, once you stop recording, right, you actually want to click on your files. And this is where you can show your clips, and this is where all your clips will be at, man. Yeah, it's literally gonna be here. Everything that you record is gonna just be sitting right here, man. But with that being said, man, that's actually how you screen record off of your computer, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I hope y'all look forward to more reaction videos. I'm dropping a lot of reaction videos now that I know how to screen record, man. And I hope y'all got some value, bro. If you did get some value out of this video, man, please leave a like on my channel, man. Subscribe. And again, I thank y'all so much, man. Your boy T-Sharp is out.